So if you're planning to upgrade your monitor and if you're already confused what you have to do and which monitor should you go for, I have a perfect recommendation for you guys. Like I recently upgraded to the best monitor which I wanted to use for a very long time. LG 27GP850 monitor. So I'm gonna tell you about this monitor in this video and we're gonna test out this video, and I wanna share one thing that I wanted to put out this video for a very long time, but I kind of delayed myself only because I thought ki there was no point like एक दिन में मैं क्या बता पाऊंगा monitor के बारे में, तो either I'll try to use it first and then I'll put out the video. So let's watch the unboxing, which I already did, and yeah, let's move to the unboxing now. So we already installed the monitor. Now we got these cables with us. We have got 3 cables for the display. We have a DP, HDMI, and there's another cable. And we have the main power source for this monitor. And we have the manual as well, like if you want to use it. And if you're facing issues while installing the monitor, you can use this. So yeah, so this is what we have. Now we're gonna install it on the PC. Yeah. So about LG 27GP850, it has a 27-inch screen with 1440p display. You can overclock it to 165 Hz to 180 Hz. It's insane, I guess, कि अभी तक कोई भी monitor available है market में, in Indian market. So I think this monitor is going to be the best monitor out there right now. And I wanted to upgrade to a 2K monitor because I normally play games like Warzone, Apex and Valorant. But like if you think about it, like I played the whole year. Like I played Warzone, पुरानी वाली Warzone, मैंने और Modern Warfare 2019 से मैंने सारी गेम्स जो भी खेली हैं वो 1080p पे खेली हैं. And this is the first time I'm gonna switch to 2K monitor. And I saw the difference by myself कि कितना ज़्यादा difference है and what I was playing. Because in games like Apex Legends, in games like Warzone, you can see the difference. Like in the battle royale games, you can see the difference. Like you can spot people from a longer distance on a 2K resolution. So, and if you have a good refresh rate as well and a good response time which this monitor is giving, this is the best experience which I've ever had while playing games. And I tried this monitor first on Warzone, and I noticed it by myself. I can spot people from a longer distance. So I'll show you the settings which you can see in the monitor and how you can change the refresh rate of the monitor to 165 Hz to 180 Hz. So we'll go through the settings now. जो monitor की settings है हमारे पास already है. You don't have to use any software for that. You just have to click this button under the LG logo. There's a small button there, and you can also choose the input mode, जो भी तुम्हारा mode है. Mostly जो तुमने जो भी तुमने केबल लगाई है उसके हिसाब से होता है. There is a normal volume bar as well. You can just use it normally without pressing the button. So if you go into the settings, I'll show you how you can also overclock the refresh rate, because normally if you turn on the monitor, it will be on 165 Hz. Now I'll show you how you can overclock it. So you have to click there, and then you have to press the same button again, go into the settings, and in the game adjust mode you can see a small setting overclock. It's already on for me, so you have to turn it on, and then after that go back and you have to open your Nvidia control panel or whatever the software you're using. So you have to go there and you have to select the resolution that you're using, and it will show 180 Hz. So let's talk about the overall monitor right now. So in this monitor, I saw the design, which they do. It was so good, the clean, classy design. They kept it very normal. This is the best part about LG. But I saw one thing which kinda it's not good for my table and my setup. The monitor was way too long, but I think you can also fix it with one thing. You can mount it in the wall, and you can also sort out this problem. Wanted to use it for a very long time. I'm kind of getting used to it on my same setup, but I'll try to get it mounted, I guess. I think that would be better. So yeah, let's see. Baki as a FPS player, I will recommend this monitor to all of these people who are playing story games as well, and you can also play it on any FPS game on this monitor. It will run smoothly, and I know that it will change the gameplay as well for sure, because all of these things nowadays kind of make difference in your gameplay. I notice, and monitor is the most important thing while playing any game. I mean, obviously it is. So yeah, Baki, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope this video will be helpful for you. I'll give you guys the link in the description, and thank you so much LG for giving me this monitor and letting me bring out my own thoughts about this monitor while reviewing it. So yeah, Baki, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Leave a comment, leave a like as well. I mean, let me know if you have any question. I'll try to answer every question in the comment section, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.